Okay, so I just went through this whole long thing putting this page together for you guys, and it's about being dependable. Yeah, well, my filming crew, me, is not dependable, and therefore I could not get this page on film for you without flaw. So, yeah, I used up a bunch of old scrapbooking stuff that I have just laying around here, and I am trying to put things away now because I've got them all over my desk. Because, you know, you accumulate a lot of stuff over a period of time. So I'm just, picking up all of these letters and things. These were really too big for this particular book, so away they go. And so I hope that you have good relationships with people, that you can be that dependable friend that people can call and say, hey, I need your help. Can you come? And you're there for them. And I hope you have friends that do the same for you, because that to me is what friendship is about. Caring is so important. Being there for one another is so important. And, we kind of do it for our family, but friends are special. Friends, they don't have to do it. They do it because they care about you. Family, you get your family. You get whatever you get for family. But friends, we pick our friends. And one of the ways that you might want to think about picking your friends is by how dependable they are. Can you count on them in a pinch? Are they the Good Samaritan? Do they do what needs to be done? So that's kind of it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll be back with more tomorrow. So bye, guys.